everyone, welcome to Style Play by Shalini, and today it's going to be a quick makeup product review video. So today I'm going to review Makeup Revolution highlighter, and this highlighter is called Vintage Lace. What do you expect from a highlighter palette which is called Vintage Lace? Well, let's see. So this highlighter arrived today, this baby arrived today. This is called Vintage Lace, and this is intense metallic cream powder highlighter. So this costs me 1350. It retails at 1350 and it's 20 gram. And now coming to the main colors and texture, just look at this. Just look at this. I mean, I don't know if you can understand. It's got a snake-like texture. It's called Vintage Lace, and it actually has got a lace kind of a texture. It's more like a snake lace texture, and the colors are so beautiful. So honestly, this just arrived today, and I myself have got no idea. As you can see the palette, there is not a single stripe. So I'm going to review it with you. I'm going to discover it with you. So it's going to be interesting because we are going to do this together. So I'm feeling sad to break this, to affect the sequence of it. But yes, we got to do what we got to do. So I already have highlighter. So probably I can put it on my skin here or in my hands, or we'll see. So the first, my god, I just touched it and this is the texture. Oh my god. Wow, do you see that, guys? Wow. Oh my god. Now for shade number 2. It's super intense. Like, when I'm talking about intense, now if I apply it here, I don't know if you'll understand. Now let's take a second swipe. Now this is the second one. The first one is more of a golden undertone. The second one has got a more of a pinkish peach undertone. Just look at this. I mean, I am just swiping it, just a single swipe, and the color is so intense. So now it's time for shade number 3. So this is shade number 3. This is it. This has a little bit of greenish undertone. Okay. And now finally, this will be shade number 4. So it actually, if you see my hand, the intensity for all the colors is very strong. It's just that how strong we want it. The first one will be perfect for a party makeup. It's just glaring on the face. And I think the other ones can be used for every purpose. You can use it as a highlighter, as an eyebrow. What am I speaking? An eyeshadow. Like, this is amazing. So let me just remove makeup from highlighter from existing this side and try one of the highlighters. So that's let's see how it looks on skin, how it looks on face. All right. So I have removed my makeup, highlighter from both sides because I want to swatch 2 colors on my cheek, and let's see how it turns out. So I'm gonna swatch shade number 4. Wow. I wish you could, I could show you in front. It also acts as a bronzer, as you can see. So shade number 4 actually acts as a bronzer as well as a highlighter because it's got a dark undertone. This one I'm using if you want to use as a bronzer and as a highlighter. It's got a beautiful sheen. I'm coming close. So I really wanted to show you this because I guess that this would also serve as a bronzer and also would help you in subtle contouring if you wanted. If you can see the difference. So this side is my fluffy cheek, and this side is with the highlighter contour. You see the difference? You see the difference, guys? My fluffy cheek versus the contoured highlighter. So for trying number 2, let's go with the wild one, the party one. What do you say? Because I'm wearing yellow, so I think it's gonna look good. Wow. Look at that shine. This is powdery. Let me just reiterate, but just look at that. Now, if you see, let me get it close up. So this side is the highlighter where it's sort of giving me a contour kind of a look, where it's making me look a little slimmer. And this side, it's not contour, but it's giving me that vibrant, that amazing gold look, that rich gold. I mean, I already love this palette. I can see that I'm gonna be using this a lot in my tutorials. I think it just lights up my face instantly. This is the contour highlighter. This is the glowing highlighter, ready for party. Another close up for you guys. You can definitely buy this. Is 1350 for 1350. You're getting this kind of, total quality highlighter. It is indeed intense, like super intense, and there are other two shades which I feel will be very subtle, but those are intense. I mean, there is no compromise in pigmentation, mind you, because I swatched all of them for you. And just look at the particles. If you can see, all of them have got like intense particles, like small particles, which is, I have got typical Indian skin tone, and all of them are showing beautifully. Because you want your highlighter to be there and not to be there, and some highlighter to be just on the face, some highlighter to act as a contour. I mean, this is a all-in-all highlighter palette. This is amazing, and I think you can definitely buy this. Vintage Lace by Makeup Revolution. So if you like this quick review, please like, subscribe, and share, and do all that. You people know it. So thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.